how to make a book without using staples or tape. All you need is 2 pieces of paper, some scissors, and possibly a straight edge and a pencil. You'll need a pencil, scissors, paper, and something with a straight edge like a book. Next, fold the paper in half. Smooth out the edge. Then you're going to measure using the tip of your finger from the edge of the top of the paper and the bottom of the paper. Just do a little notch. Make sure you're on the folded side. And then you're going to connect those 2 lines that you made. This should make a long rectangle. Make sure you're on the edge again. Cut out this rectangle, making sure that the paper is folded. Once you have cut the rectangle, you will have a hole in the middle of the paper. Put that paper aside. Get another paper. Fold it in half. Open the paper up and measure the tip of your finger from the top and the bottom of the paper, just like you did before. Only this time you're just going to cut a small slice in the paper to that dot. Now you have a little notch in the paper on the top and the bottom. Fold this paper in half, but don't crease it. This is to put it through the hole in the other paper. Once you have it through the hole, open it up and adjust it so that you put the 2 notches together on the 2 papers. Flatten it out and fold it again. Now you have a book. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a picture box and lines to write on the inside of your book. Grab a pencil and a straight edge like the book you were using before. Draw the top line about a finger width from the top of the paper. Each of the sides of the picture box should be about 4 fingers long. Once you have finished your box, you can start drawing the lines to write on underneath. Each line should be about a finger width distance from each other.